interstellar object comet Oumuamua entering our solar system on October 19, 2017. A guest arrived from outside our solar system. Scientists christened it Oumuamua. You could say the name turned out to be prophetic, because the celestial traveler arrived as a messenger, bearing tidings that shook our understanding of our place in the universe. You see, until 2017, we had never recorded an object traveling through space and hailing from another star system. Oumuamua was a trailblazer, the first of its kind to visit, and its voyage raised more questions than answers. How did it enter our solar system? How come it left so fast? What was it accelerating from? And the most crucial question, does Oumuamua hold clues to the existence of alien civilizations? Join me today as we delve into the intriguing case of Comet Oumuamua, exploring the theories and insights that challenge our conventional views. The astonishing arrival of Oumuamua when scientists first laid eyes on Oumuamua. They couldn't believe their luck. There it was, an interstellar wanderer navigating the vast expanse of space. Oumuamua seemed like a comet, streaking across the sky with an elongated coma. But as astronomers took a closer look, they realized it wasn't quite right. Its shape was peculiar and didn't fit the typical image of a comet. What's more, it moved faster than any known object bound to the sun. Astronomer Karen Meach from the University of Hawaii at Manoa described the visitor as having an unexpected high velocity. Comet Oumuamua zoomed past Earth's orbit at a whopping speed of 87 kilometers per second, much faster than typical objects found in our solar system. This hinted at a surprising truth, that this interstellar guest had not formed within our solar system and was not destined to stay. No, it was merely passing through on a journey from far beyond. This cosmic revelation marks the first time humanity has observed an interstellar object speeding through our solar system. Interstellar object Oumuamua may be a probeth scientific community buzzed with excitement and theories. One particular idea stood out. Could this mysterious interstellar visitor be more than just a comet? Was it a probe sent by an advanced alien civilization? The thought was audacious, challenging the conventional view of our place in the universe. Proponents argued that Comet Oumuamua's unusual characteristics pointed to a technological origin. Its shape, speed, trajectory, they were all consistent with a spacecraft designed for deep space travel. But there was more. The probe theory gained traction as researchers noticed peculiar aspects of the comet's movement. You see, as Oumuamua embarked on its journey away from the sun, it unexpectedly sped up instead of slowing down under the sun's gravitational influence. This puzzling acceleration suggested something unusual was at play. Proponents of the probe theory proposed that Comet Oumuamua was equipped with propulsion systems, allowing it to maneuver with precision in deep space. This intriguing idea challenged the prevailing view of comets as merely chunks of ice and rock drifting through the cosmos. Instead, it portrayed Comet Oumuamua as a sophisticated interstellar traveler capable of navigating the complexities of deep space. A second interstellar guest, Borisov, as the world grappled with the implications of Comet Oumuamua. Another interstellar visitor graced our solar system in 2019, enter Comet Borisov, also known as 2I. And boy, did it make a grand entrance. While it shared similarities with its predecessor, Borisov also brought unique observations to the table. Astronomers noted that the comet's coma, the fuzzy cloud surrounding its nucleus, appeared unusually smooth. It lacked the rough, uneven features commonly associated with comets. This smoothness hinted at something artificial, suggesting that Borisov might be an engineered construct. Additionally, Comet Borisov exhibited peculiar rotational characteristics. It spun on its axis in an unexpected manner, challenging the traditional understanding of how comets acquire such motion. This odd rotation fueled speculation that Borisov could be more than a natural celestial body. Instead, it might be a spacecraft designed to observe and collect data about our solar system. Unraveling the enigma of interstellar visitors, the arrival of these interstellar guests posed a profound question. Are we truly alone in the vast expanse of the universe? The possibility that comets Oumuamua and Borisov were probes sent by extraterrestrial civilizations opened up a Pandora's box of possibilities. Proponents of the probe theory argue that these objects exhibit an uncanny resemblance to hypothetical spacecraft that scientists have theorized for decades. They suggest that these interstellar visitors might be part of a larger network of robotic explorers sent by advanced civilizations to observe and study distant star systems. Imagine a universe teeming with civilizations, each sending out probes to explore the cosmos. The implications are staggering. These probes could be collecting invaluable data about our solar system and other systems, allowing us to gain insights into the conditions and environments present elsewhere in the Milky Way. They could also be searching for signs of life, charting the course for future exploration and colonization efforts. Scientists uncover more about Comet Atlassian as if the previous interstellar visitors weren't enough. A third interstellar object has now been detected. Yes, you heard right. Comet Atlas is here, and it's got astronomers scratching their heads with its strange behavior. As of March 2025, Atlas is inbound and approaching the Sun. And let me tell you, it's doing so in style. It's wobbling around the inner solar system and has already passed Venus. And here's where things get weird. Astronomers have discovered that Comet Atlas is spinning like a top with a slight tilt. Now, you might think, who cares about how a comet spins? But trust me, this is important. See, if Atlas were just your average run-of-the-mill comet, it would be spinning pretty randomly. But this comet is behaving in a way that suggests it is not just a hunk of space rock. Nope, it's got some serious engineering behind it. And that's not all. Comet Atlas also boasts a giant coma. I'm talking massive, like 20 kilometers wide, and it's covered in dust and gas. Now, astronomers have seen this before, especially with Comet Ball. And let's just say they're not impressed. Yes, Comet Atlas is currently hiding behind the Sun, so we can't see it directly. But we have seen it before, and based on what we know, it's behaving like a giant space probe. A closer look at Atlasso. What's the deal with Comet Atlas anyway? Why is it spinning, wobbling and hiding behind the Sun? Well, according to one team of astronomers, Atlas is actually a swarm of small objects held together by gravity. They claim that these objects are mostly hydrogen, but also contain some helium and dust. Now, that might sound a bit confusing, so let me break it down for you. Basically, This team of astronomers says that Comet Atlas is not one solid piece, but rather a bunch of small objects stuck together. And they think that these objects are made mostly of hydrogen, but also contain some helium and dust. This is an exciting possibility because it means that we might actually be able to detect these objects using radio waves. But other astronomers are not so sure. They argue that Comet Atlas is just a big, fat space rock. Nothing more, nothing less. They say that the reason it is spinning and wobbling is because it is irregular in shape and has a lot of mass. According to them, the only reason Comet Atlas has a giant coma is because it is made of ice and dust that vaporized when it got close to the sun. So who's right? Is Comet Atlas a swarm of small objects or just a big space rock? Only time will tell. But one thing is for sure. This comet is definitely hiding something. Are we truly alone in the universe? In the grand tapestry of the cosmos, our solar system is just a tiny thread. Billions upon billions of stars scattered throughout the Milky Way galaxy, each potentially hosting its own planetary system. The sheer immensity of the universe raises a profound question. Are we truly alone in this grand expanse? The conventional wisdom holds that the chances of finding extraterrestrial life are slim to none. The distances are vast, the planets are few, and the conditions for life are even fewer. Yet, the discovery of these interstellar visitors challenges that very notion. Could it be that we are not alone? Could these celestial wanderers be emissaries from distant worlds? The implications are profound. If we are not alone, then the universe expands not just in physical size, but also in possibilities. The encounter with Comet Oumuamua and Borisov stirs our imagination. It beckons us to envision a universe brimming with life, where countless civilizations explore the cosmos just as we do. It encourages us to ponder the nature of